Oh, how are you doing? God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. This is me talking to you, Beauty Sia. How are you doing today? God bless you. God bless you. Today we are talking about angels again. Yes, this is Angel Shamoy. Angel Shamoy is known as the angel of love, peace. Are you hearing me? That is Angel Shamoy for you. Angel Shamoy is an angel of love, compassion. He helps people. Are you hearing me? He helps people to open their heart of unconditional love toward themselves and all others. Are you hearing me? Angel Shamuel is the angel of love, angel of compassion, angel of peace, peaceful relationship. Are you hearing me? That is the angel of Shamuel. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Angel of Shamuel is an angel of peaceful relationship, angel of peace. Are you hearing me? He restores peace in a relationship. Angel Shamuel. Angel Shamuel is the angel of love and compassion. Are you hearing me? He protects the inner peace. Angel Shamuel, you need it in your life. This is the peace I've been talking about. Sometimes I talk about peace, I'll say, this is peace you need in your life. Are you hearing me? Peace that passes human understanding. This is the angel that gives peace. If you are looking for peace, why not beckon on Angel Shamoy today? Angel Shamoy is the one that gives peace. Is the one that gives compassion. Are you hearing me? Is the angel that gives love in relationship. Is an angel of passion, angel of love, angel of peaceful relationship. If your relationship is undergoing issue one way or the other, why not call Angel Shamoy to give you that relationship that dear to you? Are you hearing what I'm saying? As a man, as a woman, you need Angel Shamoy. If you are looking for peace, there is some people that don't have peace. The peace are already lost. You need Angel Shamoy to bring that peace for you. Angel Shamoy is an angel of peace. Takasuta la kata kata kata. Angel of peace, love. I love this angel so much because I remember then, angel of peace, people will be saying, they need peace, they need peace, they need peace. This is the angel. If you need peace in your life, you need angels. I am giving you the link way. All you just need to do is to enter my channel, know what the angels are doing. Are you hearing me? In your communication with God, in your link to God, call upon the angels. If you are looking for peace in your marriage, call upon Angel Shamo. Are you hearing me? This peace, you need it in your marriage. Beckon on Angel Shamo. Are you hearing what I'm saying? A lot of you don't have peace. A lot of you don't even sleep at night. This is the link you need to call upon these angels. Are you hearing me? I'm just giving you clue. This is clue I'm giving you to know what these angels are doing. That when you are praying, all you just need to do is to call upon these angels. A lot of people don't know whether they are even seeing angels. Are you hearing me? God bless you. This is another angel. This is Angel Jophel. Angel Jophel is an angel. Angel Jophel, is an angel of beauty. Angel of beauty, wisdom, enlightenment. Angel of beauty. Are you looking for beauty, inner beauty? Are you looking for beauty? Call upon Angel Shamoy. Are you hearing me? Angel Jophel. This is Angel Jophel. Angel of beauty, enlightenment. Angel of beauty of God. This is Angel Shamoy. Are you hearing me? Angel Shamon, angel Jofrel. You need this angel. This is angel Jofrel. You need this angel. This is the beauty. You know, sometimes we talk about beauty. We talk about inner beauty. Inner beauty. This is the angel that gives inner beauty. Angel Jophiel. He supports in spiritual practice. Angel Jophiel. The beauty of God. This is the angel of beauty of God. You see the way she's beautiful. Are you hearing me? Angel Jophiel is an angel of virtue, angel of beauty. Are you hearing me? So you need this angel of beauty. You know, when we're growing up, we will be saying, see, this person is not beauty. It's not beautiful. She just got married, just like that. You know, people will be saying, is it not that he have the beauty, outside beauty, but he have inner beauty. When we're growing up, then we'll say, but this person is not beauty, but he just got married. But the people that are even beauty, they are just there. They will say, this person has inner beauty. This is the inner beauty we are talking about. The beauty of the beauty of God. It's not when you use all those things made in your face. Inner beauty is God that is giving that. This is the angel. So if you need beauty, inner beauty, the beauty of God, you need this angel. Angel Jophiel. I realize that there is angel that will make you beautiful, inner beauty. Are you hearing me? Call upon this angel in your closet, in your secret place, in your communication with God. You need these angels. This one is just a link to know what angels are doing. There are type of different angels. I'm just giving you clue. A lot of people don't know that there's angels. Angels are doing this, they are doing this. I'm telling you, it's now people are now knowing that this angel is doing this. Somebody called me yesterday and said, you started talking about angel. I love it. I know what angels are doing. He said at night he can easily call angel Michael to destroy all the enemies. I've been using it for a very long time. This one now is angel, beauty of angel. The inner beauty you have, that is what God giving to you. You see people, they will even say, that girl is ugly. Why is it that people just love her? People just love her. That is the beauty of God. These are the angels. This is the angel Jophiel. If you see me upload it, not just watch it. If you really need this angel, all you just need to do is to